When building out your golf simulator room, there are a lot of factors that come into play. One of those is ceiling height. A lot of people don't think that their golf mat can contribute to them losing some of their ceiling height. In reality, it can. That's why today we're going to be introducing the new SIGPRO Softy Lite Hitting Strip and golf mats. It uses the same design as the SIGPRO Softy Hitting Strip, but instead of having a thicker layer of foam, it's got a thinner layer. The SIGPRO Softy Lite golf mats come in 3 variations, the 4x5, 4x7, and 4x10. There are 2 main differences between the SIGPRO Softy Lite and the original SIGPRO Softy. The first main difference is the overall height of the hitting strip. The SIGPRO Softy Lite measures 1¼ inch high. The original SIGPRO Softy measures 2 3/8 inches high. The second main difference is the top turf. On the original SIGPRO Softy, it has 1 inch of teeline turf, which allows you to put a real tee into the hitting strip. The SIGPRO Softy Lite utilizes premium putting turf as its top turf, so you can't use a real tee. You'll need to use a tee adjacent. The 4x5 golf mat is a smaller golf mat for golfers who are limited on space and just need that extra little bit for their golf hitting area. The 4x7 is a little bit larger and has enough space between the hitting strip and the edge for your launch monitor to sit right on the golf mat. The 4x10 is a lot larger of a golf mat that has 2 stance areas, one for a righty and one for a lefty if you do have lefties playing. The new SIGPRO Softy Lite golf mats sport a one-piece design, so it's seamless, easy to roll up, and easy to store. If you're interested in learning more about the new SIGPRO Softy Lite hitting strip and golf mats, make sure to go check out our website, shopindoorgolf.com.